guys, it's Emily here with a quick tip on how to refill your foam soap dispenser. I love Bath & Body Works. We shop there often and I still will, but this will save you some money and it's really easy to do. So I want to show you tonight how we can do this in just a few minutes for just really pennies. I filled this one yesterday, and this is marshmallow pumpkin latte, and really the easiest way to fill these is to get the exact matching shower gel. And then you have, it's the same color as your original was and the same scent. And since it's a shower gel and not a hand soap, I Googled just to make sure that this is going to kill germs. And over again, it said, yes, any soap that you use, or bath gel, or baby soap is going to kill germs. Here's the key. You need to wash your hands for at least 20 or 30 seconds with warm water. As long as it foams, as long as it's some kind of soap, you're going to be fine. Just wash your hands for the duration of at least 20 or 30 seconds. So I want to show you the steps of refilling your soap dispenser. This one is empty, so I could either squeeze my soap right into the bottle and then put water in it and shake it, but that makes a lot of suds and you can't be exact on your measuring, which is fine. I do it that way quite often, but here's a really easy way. So I've got these are 8.75 fluid ounces. So what I'm going to do, the ratio that you want to use is about 8 parts water to 1 part soap. So to get 8.75 ounces, I'm going to use about 1 ounce of soap. So I'm going to, this has a 2 ounce mark, I'm going to fill it just about halfway up. So the easiest way is to fill our soap to about the 1 ounce mark, and then I'm going to fill up to a little past 8 ounces with warm water. And then all I have to do is give this a stir. And that's it. That's ready to go into my bottle, my soap dispenser. And I love experimenting with different scents. You can mix and match. Like the next one I'm going to do is a coconut lavender. So I'm going to use what I have to mix and make that scent. Okay, that filled it up perfectly. You want to leave some space at the top because this lid is pretty big. So I wanted to leave a little bit at the top and give it a little shake. And there's my foamy soap. And it washes really well. And it smells great. So this is just a lemon dish soap. You can use any kind of hand soap or body wash. So there's my lemon, and that was just probably 25 cents to make that. These are a little more expensive if you want to use the real Bath & Body Works shower gel, but you can get several uses out of this. So it's worth it. And I love that these are colored, and then it's going to make your soap colored too, just lightly tinted. Okay, here's my empty jar, and I'm going to grab another Pyrex dish. Now I want to make lavender coconut. So I've got some lavender hand soap. I'm going to pour about half an ounce of that. That was a little more. It's going to be heavy on the lavender, light on the coconut. So up to the ounce. That was about 1.5 ounces. That's okay. And then warm water, and you don't have to be exact in your 8-to-1 ratio. That's just an estimate. And some soaps are a lot thicker than others, and some are more watery. You want it thin enough that it goes through the foamer, the foam dispenser. It's going to be just about right. See how easy that was? Just a quick little stir, and then we'll pour it into this bottle. And again, we're going to leave some room at the top. Look at that pretty color that made. And then we've got our second soap dispenser filled. Give it a little shake. And that might be a little thick. I think it's going to be just fine, but you can always add just a touch of water to it. So let's see how this one works. That really does smell like lavender coconut. See how nice and bubbly and foamy that is? So everybody wash your hands for 20 to 30 seconds with warm water. And still shop at Bath & Body Works, but this can extend your time in between shopping trips. So all of our husbands will appreciate that, right?